Today we are going to introduce Royal Enfield new Meteor. And we have three variants of the Meteor. First one is Meteor 5.0, Meteor Stellar, and Meteor Supernova. So we have seen Supernova. Let's go detailing first. 5.0. So this is one of the basic models. This is the Meteor 5.0. So it comes in basic two colors, red color and yellow color. It comes with comfort seating and wide tires and alloy wheels, and also the position is very relaxed position it has. The chassis is very comfortable chassis. You can turn the handle back easily. That's the reason it is called Easy Cruiser. So which is meant for city and highway roads. And if you come to the model of this one, let's have a detailed look. It comes with USB port for charging our mobiles. It also comes with navigation tracker and new DC analog instrumentation cluster is there. And it's around 13.5 liters petrol tank. And the engine is a new enhanced engine which gives smooth riding and comfort riding for long drives. So these are some of the details we have in Meteor.